This chair is completely worn out. Let's try to reupholster it at home. I will show you it in a simple couple of steps. First easy step, just flip your chair like this and unscrew seat from a chair foundation. Next step, you can remove old fabric, like remove all staplers. Let's measure our seat. It's 40 centimeters on 40, yeah. But pay attention, we need a bit more than 40 because we need to have staplers here around this circle. So we're gonna do like 50 or even 60, just in case. Now I have this fabric. Let's just cut out like 60 centimeters or something. In my case, in your case, you need to check what you need and like plus 10-20 centimeters. Let's go. Chick chick. Now it's a result. Next, place it so it's gonna be fit from all sides. Pay attention to create some wrinkles and other stuff here, so we need to do it hard. Next, let's start to staple it. I'm gonna use this stapler and the staples. Let me first show you a pack of staples and place some. In my case, I'm gonna use this stapler. In your case, you can use some different one or even hammer. But in my case, you just place it like this and close this up. Okay, we have one. You can do it closely to border, but in my case I just have staplers here, so I fill them with my finger. Let's do it like this. Okay, this step is ready. Yeah, it's not ideal, but we're not gonna see this from this side. Remember that you're gonna see this side. From this side it already looks okay. And now we just need to cut out all this stuff that we don't need. Let me do it fast. Okay, it will be enough for me. I don't care much about this. I'm not some profi in this, so for me even this is okay. Last one. Let's check what we have. And we have this upgraded chair. Feel even nicer than old one. So even if your chair is not worn out, just you want to change, you can still use this couple of steps tutorial.